Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you a very useful trick by which you can create a graph within a second. To create a graph, you need to remember one shortcut key, that is Alt F1. We have got this data of sales over here. Click anywhere inside the data and press Alt F1. We are pressing Alt F1, your graph will be ready. So here I created the graph. I'm resizing it so that you can see it in your mobile. So here is my graph created, and then you can customize it according to your requirements. So I'm going to delete the chart title, which I don't need, and the colors and the legends has been given. Further, according to your requirement, whatever style, whatever color, data label suits, you can add those things. Fine. So hope you will find this trick useful. And I'm adding data labels as well for your reference. Right click on the bar, click on add data labels and add it so that the numbers will be visible right to the next two of your bars. Fine. Hope you will find this video useful. So comment and let me know how you like this. Don't forget Alt F1.